listeners, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be explaining and demonstrating you how to delete Telegram account permanently. So guys, before moving on to the video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you could just go and click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you like this video, you could just leave a thumbs up. So guys, let's not just waste any more time and let's just dive into the video. So guys, as you can see, this is the page which we need to visit when we are deleting our Telegram account. So there are two ways with which we could reach this page. uh, Number one is that we could just search Google for Telegram account deactivation page, or let me just show you the most easiest way we could just reach this page. This step is common for both iOS and Android devices. Right now I'm using an Android device. As you can see below here, it's Telegram for Android version 10.0.2. Okay, so the most easiest way to reach the page is to click on the Telegram FAQ over here. But before that, I'll show you another way, another step. Guys, if you're not looking for ways to delete Telegram account permanently right now, and you have some more time, if you are planning to delete it, if you are inactive, then you could just go to your privacy and security and just click on this over here. You could just delete your account if you are away for a fixed amount of time. So this is also going to be a way which you can delete your account permanently. Oh guys, if you want to delete your account permanently without any issues, make sure to watch this video until the end. Okay, so if you are planning to delete it immediately and not if you are going to be inactive, so then this video is for you. The next step what we'd have to do is that we need to navigate to Telegram FAQ, and in the Telegram FAQ there are a lot of subsections such as general, Telegram basics, groups and channels, usernames and t.me, security, secret chats, and in the your account you would have an option known as delete your Telegram account. You need to click on this button over here, delete your Telegram account. If you click on delete your Telegram account, you would be redirected to this page over here, and here you'd be shown two steps. That is what happens if you Telegram my Telegram account. So you could use, this FAQs. If you have something, I'll not be reading out it aloud, but you could just go and check this page here. And if you want to delete your account, then you have to click on this button over here, deactivation page. So if you click on this URL over here, you are going to be redirected to the deactivation page of Telegram. So right now let's just click it. So as you guys have seen, right now we are on this page. So in here we are supposed to enter a number. So let's just enter a number. After entering our number, we would be shown this page. You'll be asked a reason for why are you leaving. So in here you are not, it's not mandatory for you guys to enter a reason. So if you don't have a reason, you just don't have to enter it. And next step what you have to do is just click on this delete my account button over here. And once you click on this delete my account button, the next page where you will be redirected is over here. You'd be asked a confirmation. Are you sure? Do you want to delete your account? I'll be two options. Yes, delete my account, and nope, I'll give it another try. So guys, remember, delete your account only if you are sure that you do not want a Telegram account. If some users are just troubling you and you just want to, you know, suspend your account temporarily, there are different ways. But once you delete your Telegram account permanently, it may take 2 or 3 weeks in order to sign up to Telegram using that number once again. So guys, yes, it took me about 3 weeks for me in order to sign up to Telegram again. So guys, this is how you delete your Telegram account permanently. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you did, you could just leave a thumbs up to this video, and like I told before, you could just click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button in order to support me. And once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Bye.